What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be adding keyless entry to my 2014 Chevy Silverado. This is it seems like a pretty simple little install. I bought this on Amazon. It says for GM, it works for select GM vehicles. Have the instructions right here, but this is just a basic model work truck. It didn't come with keyless entries or power windows or anything like that. So I've been slowly upgrading and adding stuff. So right now we're gonna install this keyless entry, see how well it works. I paid like $70 for on Amazon. I'll leave a link down below to the exact one I bought, so you guys can buy it if you want. And let's see how it works. So it says, turn vehicle ignition key to on position without starting. Okay, now we're going to insert this programmer down here into the port, which is right there it goes. It beeped. It will beep and you'll see the remote key learning active. Okay, press. Now it says press and hold lock and unlock for 30 seconds until you hear a beep from the programmer. So let's do that. Don't mind that, it's a little injury from work. They're ready, let's try it. Okay, now it says turn off and remove key from ignition. Remove programmer from the OBD port. And test remotes. Let's test it out. It was that simple. I've lived with this truck for like almost 3 years now without having keyless entry, and it was that simple. That is insane. Unlock, lock. Okay, wow. Does the other one unlock if I only press it once? No. So it's pretty much like a factory system. Let's see. If you press the unlock twice, it unlocks both doors. If you press lock once, it just locks both doors. Second lock gives it a beep, but my door's open, so it's not going to do it. But if you one unlock, locks the driver's side door, and the second one unlocks the passenger. Now I can just put this is Doorman Products. I can just put this on my key fob and now I have keyless entry. Wow. I'm actually a little bit shocked. It's crazy. So guys, that's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this short little video. I'm really happy with this product. Like I said, I only paid $70 for it, and I've been living without keyless entry for a couple years now, and it was as simple as a 5-minute install. It was just as simple as installing something into your OBD port. So far it works really well, super happy, and now I have keyless entry. So that's it, guys. Remember to hit that like and subscribe button if you enjoyed today's video and if you learned something. Hope you have a great day. Peace.